quickly want to cut across to India Today's Shiv Arur. Shiv, Rahul Gandhi had called Rohit Vemula a symbol of resistance and said he continues to inspire Rahul Gandhi, or that he was his hero, or words to that effect. Here, in a Congress-ruled state, Telangana police have said Vemula, there were issues with his certification. His mother had procured a caste certificate and he feared some details would be made public. What else does this report say? And Shiv, what are the implications?
Gaurav, given the enormous amount of political and media attention that this story got in 2016, the manner in which Rahul Gandhi and the Congress party had made this, a huge, justifiably a huge issue about discrimination against Dalits on campuses in the country, the closure report that's been filed by the Telangana police today is enormous. It's stupefying at one level. And not just the fact that it's a closure report, but what the Telangana police has said. First of all, remember that the Telangana police is under a Congress government now. And the Congress had made this its big calling card, one of the first big issues it had raised in the first Modi government in 2016. Rahul Gandhi had led it. He had spoken about it in Parliament as well. But the suicide of Rohit Vemula the Telangana police in its closure report now says it was because of a fear of being found out that he was not a Dalit and allegedly that the caste certificate that he had procured via his mother was actually false. This is literally what the Telangana police is saying. It takes a story that had captured the national political energy and attention of that time and completely turns it on its head and seems to negate it, saying that Rohit Vemula was not a Dalit, he had a fake certificate and he had procured it somehow, and it was the fear of being found out that had added to his other worries and stress, leading to his decision to take that extreme and very, very tragic, unfortunate step. The fact, however, is that it is totally understandable that the family of Rohit Vemula is shocked. Yes. They're completely traumatized by this report, and they've said that how can the police comment on someone's, caste identity, and that's why they've decided to approach the Telangana Chief Minister Revanth Reddy to seek some kind of a recourse. Also remember that they have other legal recourse. They can file a protest petition in a lower court, but we're still waiting to hear what that does. For Smriti Irani, Bandaru Dattatreya, Smriti Irani was the HRD minister at that time, yes, and several others, this is most definitely some kind of a relief. But for the Congress party, for a party that had made it such a big issue, had made it their calling card in a very big way, in a sustained manner. Rahul Gandhi remembers Rohit Vemula's death anniversary every single year on social media. It's a bit of a sticky wicket for them now.
Okay.